Ever stare at a trig identity and wonder if it actually holds true? Stop guessing and start verifying instantly. The Trigonometric Identity Verifier lets you test any trig equation at multiple angle values simultaneously. Just type in your left-hand side expression, your right-hand side expression, and choose which angles you want to test. Here's a quick example. Say you want to verify that sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. Enter those expressions, test angles like 30, 45, and 60 degrees, and the calculator evaluates both sides instantly, confirming they match at every single value. It works for complex identities too: double angles, half angles, sum and difference formulas. No manual substitution, no calculator button mashing, no second guessing your arithmetic. Whether you're studying for an exam or checking your own work, this tool saves you real time. Try the free Trigonometric Identity Verifier right now using the link below.